your girl Miss Licious. Welcome back to my channel. It's gonna be get to know me tag videos. So I just realized that I've not really introduced myself to you guys, and I was like, what the hell, what have I been waiting for? So now in this video I'm going to be telling you guys about myself, and for those of you who follow me on my Instagram and Facebook, I put out a question on my story, like ask me a question. So I'm gonna be picking from the question you guys ask me in my Instagram story and my Facebook story. So I just basically jot them down. So I'm answering the question you guys ask me. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you do, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, try and subscribe. So guys, let's get down to the video. The first one here is what's my real name? Well, my name is Precious Oloije Atane. Where am I from? I'm from Owan West, Edo State, Nigeria. My month of birth, I was born January 19. Are you a student? No, I'm not a student, I'm a graduate. What uni did you attend? I went to Abdulsalim University, Ekpoma, in Edo State, Nigeria. What do you do for a living? Well, I'm an entrepreneur. I sell hair, and I'm a makeup artist. Where did you serve? NYC. Well, I was posted to Nasarawa State but deployed to Delta State, Asaba. I serve in Asaba, and yeah. Have you ever traveled out of the country? Not yet, but very soon. Keeping our finger crossed. I'm going to go on a vacation pretty soon, but we're trusting God for a better life. Where do you see yourself in 5 years' time? Well, in 5 years' time, I should be married with my lovely kids, enjoying life and traveling the world. And do you have any tattoo? Of course not. I don't have any tattoo. I hate tattoo. In fact, I hate anything sharp, anything that will choke or pin my skin. Not that I hate tattoo, but I don't just like it on my skin. I don't think I'm ever going to get it. My favorite movie. I don't think I have any favorite movie though, but I do love foreign movie. I love watching Hollywood movies and foreign movies. My favorite color. My favorite color I think is black. I like black because black goes with anything. You can use black to wear a red top. You can use black trousers to wear a red top. Black just goes with anything. I think I'm good to go. If you see me, I'm always with a black cap or a black shirt or a black jeans. I love black color. Are you a Christian? Of course I'm a Christian. I grew up in church. I was born in church, guys. If you guys don't know, I was born in church. So all my life I've been going to church, and I love God so much. God is everything to me, so I don't joke with God. Do you have a lot of friends? No, I don't have a lot of friends. I think it's better to keep your circle small than having a lot of friends who might end up betraying you or stabbing you at the back. Do you have any pet? No, I don't have a pet, but I'm going to get a puppy. Those hairy white puppy. I think I'm going to get it, but for now I don't have any pets. Scary movie or happy ending? I think I will choose scary movie. I will enjoy watching scary movie. I know you guys will find it weird, but that's me, guys. I love scary movie. Do you have a siblings? Of course I have siblings. I have 7 siblings, and I'm the eldest of them all. Are you in love or in a relationship? Yes, I'm in love and I'm in a relationship, guys. Benin City, Edo State, Nigeria. Basically all my life I've been in Benin. Yeah, I schooled in Benin. My uni was in Edo State, but not in the city, but in Edo State. What's your favorite food? My favorite food is eba, or should I say gari and ogbono soup. I love draw soup, like serious. I don't joke with my eba and draw soup. I love draw soup so much. Are you an introvert or an extrovert? An introvert. I can be indoors by myself for 2 weeks and I'll be okay. I like staying indoors as far as I'm watching TV or with my phone or with my laptop. I think I'm okay. What are the craziest things you've done? I can't really remember though, but I can remember, guys. Do you have a motto? Yes, I do. My motto is no matter what, I'm going to get there. No matter the challenges, no matter what I face in life, I believe I'm going to get there. With God, all things are possible. No matter what life throws at me, I believe I'm going to get there. I'm going to pass the challenge. I'm going to overcome it and get there. What's your channel all about? Well, my channel is about lifestyle, relationship talk, food recipe, but I've not done food recipe yet, hair tutorials, makeup tutorials, DIY videos, how to do stuff, and yeah. Where do you see your YouTube channel in 5 years time? Wow, 2 million views in 5 years time, having a lot of subscribers, a family to talk to, people who are there to listen to me talk about anything and all that. It can only get better, guys. It can only get better, and with God, all things are possible. Why are you on YouTube? I joined YouTube because I'm very passionate about what I do, and also I love YouTube because it's a platform you can showcase yourself, so to show each other what you like doing, what you're good at. I think it's a very great platform. That's it, guys. Thank you for the question. I didn't even count it, but it was a lot of questions. These are the few I just picked from the question you guys asked me on my Instagram stories and my Facebook story. I really appreciate you guys taking your time to ask me. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification button below so you all be notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys on my next video. Bye.